Victims of spinal cord injuries. A 2-year study at UCLA shows that doctors can improve recovery with just one stipulation. Eyewitness News reporter Maggie Rodriguez has details on the discovery.
Are complete paraplegia or quadriplegia, inability to move the arms or legs, and loss of all function.
That's usually the prognosis for patients with severe spinal cord injuries, but it's changing.
And clearly we know now that there is a window of opportunity after a spinal cord injury that these patients have the potential for recovery if treated properly.
Spinal cord specialist Dr. Rick Delamarter says the treatment a severe spine injury receives within the first hour after it occurs is crucial.
Giving proper medications such as steroid medications or quickly reducing a fracture dislocation of the spinal column or even urgent surgery can help many of these people.
People like actor Christopher Reeve, who recently suffered severe injury to his spinal cord while horseback riding. Doctors say normally that type of injury would surely result in quadriplegia, but he was immediately given medication to relieve the pressure to his spine. And though his recovery is slow, he is regaining movement in his shoulders. Most of the 10,000 people who suffer spinal cord injuries each year in this country are completely paralyzed as a result of them. Dr. Delamarter and his team of researchers are hopeful their work here will pave the way to a cure for these injuries within the next 5 to 10 years. At UCLA, Maggie Rodriguez, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.